Peanut brittle is a favorite snack time dessert, but making it from scratch, well, no thanks, that's gotta be too hard, right? Well, if you've got a few simple ingredients from the supermarket and a microwave, you can make it in no time flat. That's right, I said a microwave to make your peanut brittle. Now we're gonna begin by getting a medium-sized bowl, and we're going to add to that a cup of granulated sugar. Again, ingredients you already have in your pantry. Now to that, some light corn syrup. Now I'm going to get this into the sugar, and we're going to give this a little stir before it goes into the microwave. Now the key here is to make sure that you stir all of that granulated sugar into the corn syrup so it moistens all of this sugar, and it's ready to go into the microwave, and it will heat for about 4 minutes once we get it there. Okay, so our 4-minute timer is done. This is going to be nice and hot and bubbly. You want to be very careful not to burn yourself at this stage. Now we're going to add in some dry roasted peanuts. In they go. A tablespoon of butter, which is going to pretty immediately melt once it hits all that hot sugar. And some fresh vanilla. Now we're going to give this a stir, allowing all of that sugar mixture. You can hear it actually sizzle in the bowl. This is so cool. It's like a science project. Now we're gonna get this all stirred in and incorporated, and then it's gonna go back into the microwave for another 3.5 minutes. Okay, so 3.5 minutes are done. This is piping hot. Be very careful as you pull this from the microwave. And now we're going to add in some baking soda. This is going to cause the mixture to foam just a little and take on that beautiful light caramel color. At this point, this is going to be very easy to spread, but it is very, very hot, so be cautious. Also, when you're cooking in the microwave, pay close attention to those cooking times, because even 30 seconds too long, you can cause the mixture to burn. Okay, now this is ready to come out, and you're going to do this either on a silicone tray, as I have here, or if you've got a tray lined in parchment paper, or if you have maybe a Silpat, you can use that as well. So I'm going to get this out onto the tray, and you want to work pretty quickly at this point, because as this cools, it begins to freeze, and that means it's going to harden up. So you want to make sure that you get it out there while it's still spreadable. And when you spread this, spread it into a nice, even, thin layer, and when it cools, it will harden, and we're going to break it up into pieces, serve it in a bowl, and you made homemade peanut brittle in your microwave.